Number 1, click on T for text options, or you can choose any of the pre-made fonts. Let's click on the button for Add a text box. You can adjust the size by pulling on the handles of the text box. The font can be changed by selecting the box and clicking on the font selection. Choose the font you want. Similarly, you can choose the font color. Number 2, let's choose a pre-made font. Adjust the size. Click the text box and then click Ungroup. Delete what you don't want. You can change the color for this as well. We can also change the alignment. We can do the same for any method of text boxes. Number 3, let's add a text box and wrap it around an image. After writing the text, you can pull the side handles of the box or adjust the size on the top bar. Place the image. Click on the text box and go to Effects. Choose Curve and adjust as you wish. You can change the color and font if you wish. In this example, just the color changes are shown. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching.